I had contracted them for windows because they did such a good job on everything else. And there were new windows that they put in my remodel that go floor to ceiling. And the difference between the breeziness and the frost on the windows was amazing. For that reason, I mean, they stand behind everything. And they do a good job. They're neat, they're friendly. What more can you say? The people I work with have been just wonderful, from the work crew to the estimators to the top salesman, who has since retired. I think he was a salesman. I'm not sure of his title because he was pretty humble. But now when they come into town, they'll call and we have coffee together. In fact, last year, I was taken to the hospital with a possible heart attack, and Lindus sent me gifts. So, I mean, you can't ask for better than that. It's like their family.